puddle, then we all fall down. Whoa, mud, wipe our hands on our pants. It's okay, we can wash them. Jump in a puddle, we splash and then we roll down the hill and we do it again. I've got this itch inside me and I wanna roll around. I'd be feeling so much better if I could get dirty. Fun is being silly as we're rolling on the ground. Knee slide, tummy glide, let's all get dirty. Picture day, I'm looking nice. I sprint towards the sprinklers and I think twice. Smile for the camera, then I run towards the dirt. Good thing I wore my undershirt. Jump in the puddle, we splash and then we roll down the hill, then we do it again. Hey, so now that our picture looks great, let's head to the playground. You ready to go to the playground? Yeah! Come on, y'all, let's go! 1, 2, 3. Roll on the playground, play in the mud. Slide down the slide, yeah, it feels good. Chalk dust, dirty shoes, sun on our face. I've got dirt all over the place. Jump in a puddle, we splash and then we roll down the hill, then we do it again. Getting dirty, getting dirty, getting dirty. Get dirty! Getting dirty, getting dirty. Everyone get dirty! Running, running all around. Jump in the puddle, then we all fall down. Muddy shoes, hey, that's okay. We can get cleaned up another day. Jump in a puddle, we splash and then